recording. So what happened before? I don't know what happened to that video. It just went off. What is going on? So I'll find out later. I don't know. So yeah, thank you. I don't know. I don't know what happened to my. I was just doing the video. The thing just went off. I don't really know what happened. But as I was saying, my name is Magdali, Meg for short. There's a business opportunity that I'm introducing. Amazing business. Good evening. Good evening, my sister. How are you? So, a business opportunity. What are you doing at home at this moment? What are you doing at this quarantine period? What are you doing? During this time of this global pandemic, what are you doing? Are you just sitting down at home, scrolling on your... Because I know you are not going anywhere, except you want to go to supermarket. Or you want to go and buy food. That's where you can go out. You are indoor throughout. That is the truth. Now, what are you doing? Just stay at home doing nothing? No. I have a business opportunity for you. A business you can run from home. A business that you don't need to stress yourself. A business you will be in charge. You will be the boss. Now, let me quickly talk to my American friends before I continue. If you have anyone in America, you have a relative there, or you live there, or you have friends there, there's a great opportunity. Another opportunity. Because our company just announced, they announced last week, that on the 14th and 15th, there will be a free registration for those in America. Is that not another opportunity? A great one. As talking to you, I registered with 50 euro. I never see this opportunity. I registered with 50 euro. But today, the company is offering you guys free registration. Register for free and own a franchise in 28 countries. Free, oh. They don't say maybe bring money, oh. Free. Just free. Free in 28 countries. Now, is that not an opportunity to inspire healthy living around the whole world for free? You have a website activated in 28 countries, and your website will be registered with your own name. Guys, it's a free, it's a great opportunity. Do not let this opportunity just go like that. Try to inbox me for more details. Inbox me how you can register. I will put you through, you register, I'll send you the form, you fill it. That's all. That's all. Now, coming back. So, what are you doing, brothers and sisters? Now that this global, this lockdown have affected, what are you doing? Are you just sitting down at home, doing nothing? No. You know, have you thought of the financial crisis this global pandemic will cause? Have you ever thought of that? Just sit down and think about it. Because believe me, things will not just go normal at once, even if they unlock everywhere right now. It will not go normal. Just go normal like that. That is the truth. Many have already lost their jobs. Many have already lost their job. That is the truth. Many lost their job already. Many are facing financial crisis already, financial difficulty, financial challenges already. Why? Because they lay all their eggs in one basket. Why? Because they never have a plan B. They never have they never think of plan B. They never thought of having a plan B. They never thought of it. You see, that is why we say have a plan B. This business, I will not say quit your job and come and join this business. No, I never said that. And I will never say that. It's a thing of choice. It's you that will decide. Nobody will tell you that. It's you. When you see the difference, you will tell yourself, yes, let me just focus on this business because there's something here. There's no need suffering myself, so let me just focus here. This is a business you can do even if you are working. Even if you are schooling, you have one business you are doing, this is a business you can do because you do it from your phone. Anywhere you go, the business go with you because it's in your phone, your mobile phone. Now, what is this business all about? What is this business all about? Yeah, it's a business that we know for inspiring healthy living around the whole world. It's a business that gives us opportunity to be financially free and time freedom. It's a business that you can run from home. Now, your mindset, make up your mind. That one is very important. Make up your mind. Please, thank you all for watching. Thank you. Please just kindly click on the share button. And as I've said in my first video, I don't know what happened to that video. I don't know. It just went up. So that's why I'm trying to redo it again. I don't know what happened to that video. If you think I for join this business, so I know if you come out to live video because they speak Oyinbo, you not get problem if you not that one. You not just get any problem at all. Because this is our business, Oyinbo not get you help. Lie. Oyinbo not help anybody. You see? If you too blow the grammar or the English too much, nobody will even look at you. Nobody will say, this one too speak Oyinbo. They cannot just go there. If you too blow the grammar too much, let me say, if I dey watch your video or I dey follow you, I go carry dictionary in your body. They look the dictionary to the interpret to see the meaning of your big Oyinbo way they speak. So let that one be the problem. Oyinbo not get you help. English not help anybody. Even me, I for prefer make I dey speak the pidgin. I for just prefer make I dey speak the pidgin. But I dey manage to dey speak the Oyinbo small so that people wey be say they don't fit hear the pidgin, they go see understand little for waiting at the try talk. So Oyinbo not help anybody for this our business. You go to university, you not go university, you not concern anybody here. You have a diploma, you have a degree, you have a HND, you have a whatever they call it. You not concern anybody here, nobody they ask you that one. If na your native language you sabi speak, any language you sabi speak, just the speaker. Nobody after your BB Oyinbo, your qualification, no. You know they happen here. Oyinbo not just help anybody in this business. English not help anybody. So not let that one be a barrier. Me, I'm not sabi speak English. I join. Because I'm not gonna let that one be the problem because I found out say the English not help anybody. So I say, since English not help anybody, I go fit do the business because me, I not sabi speak the Oyinbo. I not sabi speak the English well. So I say, I will fit do this business. So I'm doing it. So don't let English be a barrier. Don't let it be an obstacle. Everybody can do this business. As far as you are 18 and above, you can do this business. English is not a barrier at all. Now, you make up your mind. You sign up with 50 euro if you are living in Europe. But Italy is 60 euro. Germany is 100 euro. UK, 50 pounds. Canada, America, $50. But now, 14, today is 14 and 15, America have free registration. Those in America, you have a free registration. You are not paying anything. If you register now, it's free. Free. If you register now in America, so it's free. You are not paying anything. So it's another opportunity, because me, when they talk to you, so I pay €50 to register. So now, this is the first time this company is, since I joined this company, and this is the first time they are doing this kind of thing, free registration. So it's opportunity. So just grab it. Grab it. Now, talking about what you guys are doing this time, this quarantine season. I know all of them, they enjoy the stay at home. As you enjoy that, just get yourself involved in something. Don't just sit down at home, be watching television, or be just scrolling on your Facebook, your Instagram, your YouTube. Just be there watching videos and all that. Just that time which they do all those one. Take 30 minutes or 1 hour from that time. Use them. Take them. They do this business. You go see the changes. You go see. Having a plan B is very important. Now, if you register finish, the company will now receive your registration. Send you your username and your password. That your username now to enter. Now for you to enter your virtual office. Your office, we call it virtual office. Because that virtual office is there, you will see everything that is going on in your business. Everything is there. And your website is, you see, your website is also there, register with your name in 28 countries. Activated in 28 countries. Can you imagine that? With just 50 pounds or $50, €50 you need to register. You see? You are not going to create another website for yourself. Of course, you know, to create another website, it's not €50. To create another website, you will spend like 600 to 700 euro before you can own a website. But this company is giving up for free. Just for free. Now, after the company you register, the company sends you your virtual office, your password and your username, your website, everything is there. You own a business already in 28 countries. It's left for you now to start sharing the opportunity. Share this opportunity to everybody. How can you do that? You are here. How can you from here be sharing opportunity to someone in America? You don't have that person's phone number. You don't know a contact. So how can you be sharing? That is where we are. That is why we are using social media, Facebook. Someone from America is watching me here now. Someone in Malaysia, someone in Dubai, someone in Holland, in Germany might be watching me here. That is why we are using Facebook. We see Facebook as an opportunity. We see social media as an opportunity to promote this business, to promote our product. This company is amazing. It's amazing. It's number 3 that pay their workers the highest pay in the world. This company is number 3. Yeah, number 3. They pay you commission on anything you sold. You order the product for yourself, they will still pay you. Can you imagine who's done that? Can you imagine that? You order something for yourself. You are not selling for somebody now. You order your own. Like this one you are seeing here now. It's my own. I order it for myself. The company will still pay me commission. Just the way I order for somebody else. Someone else. They will still pay me. You see? This company is amazing. I'm not saying you should leave your job if you have one job right now. I'm not saying you should leave your job. Get a plan B. It's very important. Get a plan B. It's very important. Don't leg your eggs in one basket. Now, another good thing about the business, you are not the one to start shipping the product. No be you go carry the product, they go their post or they go post office, go ship am. Your own, you just to place order for customer. No be you go collect money for customer. You are not the one to collect money from customer. The company do everything for you. The company take care of everything. What you are just doing is sharing the opportunity, placing order for customer. Even there's a customer who know how to do it themselves. Then you forward your website to them, they place the order themselves. And the company pays you your commission. No qualifications, I said before. No investment. Apart from that, your 50 euro or 50 pounds you are using to register. No qualifications. No stocking. You are not doing stocking. You are not doing buying and selling. You don't buy the product and keep in your home and start looking for who will buy them. You don't hawk products. The product I have in my home is my own personal use. You don't hawk products. You know, people that don't understand this business, they will be misinterpreting the business. Instead of you misinterpreting the business, instead of you saying what you don't know about this business, this company, you ask. You ask the person, please forward me your website. I want to see. I want to go through it myself. I do that too. You go there, forward it to you. You go there, you see it. The clinical research, the science behind our product, about the product, about the business, everything is there. You see it yourself, instead of interpreting the business or the product wrongly. So, my beautiful people, it's an opportunity to own a business. Even if you are working, you can still do it. If you are schooling at 18 and above, you can do the business. It's a great business opportunity that everyone will like to experience. If you're that kind of person that like traveling, just come. This business is for you. All the expenses will be paid for by the company. If you're that person that's always busy, you don't have time for yourself, you don't even see your family because of work, from work to work, just because you want to earn extra income, please come join this business. Join this business. Just inbox me and sign up so that you can have that time freedom. So I will not stay long time because I already did one video. I don't know what happened to that video. This is just off like that. I don't know what happened. So I decided to do another short one. Just to do another short one again. So God bless you. I really appreciate you for watching. Please just click on the share button. Just click on the share button. If you have a friend, relative, or you are living in America, try to get registered today and tomorrow. Today is 14. Yeah, today is 14 and 15. 14 and 15. Before I thought it was the whole month of because when I did my first video, I said the month of April. So later found out that it's not all the month of April, just 2 days, 14 and 15. So use this opportunity to own a massive business for yourself. Use this opportunity to build an empire from home. From home. You're not going anywhere. You can do this business anywhere in your home. See this opportunity to build a business for yourself. Now you are not paying anything. Those in America, just free. So God bless you. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. This is our product. I just want to talk about the business today. Some other time I will talk about the product. Our product is amazing. It's a well-researched product. If you talk of nutritional products, our product is number one. It has a lot of health benefits. You can imagine. So God bless you. Remain blessed. See you some other time. Thank you. I have to go now. Let me Okay.